Hey guys, we received this Zendure Universal Travel Adapter 65 watt PD fast charger with 4 USB-C, 1 USB-A, and this is our international wall charger. So it comes in a very nice gift box as you can see here. So it's very nice gift box if you want to give it as a gift to someone. So the packaging itself is very high quality packing. Let's open up this and just take this out. So my first impression on the packing and quality is good as you can see. So this comes in a carry bag and pouch as well. Usually you will not find it in most of the supplied adapters. This is all the material. Yeah, you can read, but this is a straightforward use. So let me show you. You can see like the body here is very shiny, and this is a fast charger USB-C. It can charge the laptop, and this is just the protective. So just me take it out a little bit like that. Yeah. So you can see like this is say for the US, this is for the Europe, and this is for the Asia like India and stuff. So you can use this things here, and you have to make sure that you just click it at the end so this will not come inside. So you can see like the quality wise is fixed really well, all these buttons and stuff. And then this one charger will actually work with everything was in all the other countries. So this is an international charger as well, and with the fast charging this can be used to charge your laptop as well and the small devices. So you can actually charge 6 devices simultaneously. So universal outlets here and also can be used. So this is say a USB-C. So I'm just charging a laptop here with this fast charging. So you can see the light is on, and also you can put an adapter on the top of it. So the laptop starts charging. So this laptop is charging, and the same cable can be used to charge other low power devices. So say if I want to charge my headphones, I can just use it in the other location of the adapter and start charging from here. And it's in the front is a universal adapter, so you can use any country direct switch here. So very nice design, very helpful, and comes with this pouch so you can carry it anywhere. Pretty very, very cool and helpful thing.